Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the cinema poster stand furniture recipe in Heartopia. So during this spring season, Heartopia has a special event that called Dreamlight Cinematic, and at this event, there's a battle pass where you can unlock lots of cool rewards like this, and one of them is cinema poster stand like this. And to get this rewards, you need to reach level 43. So make sure you already reach this level, and then to level it up until this level you need to collect festival points, this one, that you can get it from the town festival catalog, town festival limited collection rewards, and resident request rewards. And so make sure to keep doing the event tasks and claim all the available rewards. And once you finally reach this level, the cinema poster stand will be unlocked automatically, and after that, just go to your workbench and you can just craft it anytime. And okay, that's how you can get this cinema poster stand in Heartopia. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.